All right, in a previous video, we saw how to mirror an Android device's screen on a PC and control it completely. But the problem was that you had to use the command prompt and enter commands to connect to the phone, which can be tedious for some people. Now there's a solution for everyone. Thanks to the graphical interface, control your phone from your PC either in screen sharing mode or by switching to Android desktop mode with a single click. You can also control your phone's camera from your PC, either via a cable or wirelessly, depending on your preference. Welcome back. Today, we're covering SCR-CPY GUI version 4, a free open-source graphical interface built on top of SCR-CPY that makes Android screen mirroring, camera mirroring, and desktop mode accessible to everyone, not just people comfortable with command lines. Open your browser and go to Kilobit GitHub page. You'll find the link to the repository in the description of this video. Navigate to the Releases section and find the latest version 4 release. Download the correct installer for your operating system. For Windows, you'll see both an .exe and an .msi installer. Either works. Download whichever you prefer. When you run the installer, Windows will show a blue pop-up saying Windows protected your PC. This appears because the application isn't code-signed. Click More Info and then Run Anyway to proceed with installation. Follow the installer, click Next, choose your installation folder, Next, and Finish. The application will launch automatically. On first launch, SCR-CPY GUI will ask you to download the core binaries, the actual SCR-CPY engine that the GUI runs on top of. Click Download Core Binaries. The GUI automatically downloads and configures the official SCR-CPY files in the background. This is the main SCR-CPY executable that does all the actual mirroring work. When the download completes, click Continue to App. The main interface loads, a clean dashboard with all available options visible. Before connecting, enable Developer Options on your Android phone. Go to Settings, About Phone, find Build Number. The exact location varies by manufacturer. It's in About Phone on Pixel devices, under Software Information on Samsung, or directly in About Phone on most others. Tap Build Number 7 times rapidly. Enter your PIN or password when prompted. You'll see the confirmation, you are now a developer. Return to Main Settings. Scroll down, Developer Options is now visible. Open it. For USB connection, enable USB debugging. For wireless connection, enable wireless debugging instead. Now, connect your phone to your PC via USB cable. Launch the SCR-CPY GUI and customize the display to your liking. Change the colors and switch between dark and light modes. Once the phone is connected via the cable, click Refresh in the Device Hub section and the phone will appear automatically. Select the detected phone, then click Screen. Now click Start Mission. Your screen will appear automatically. Screen mirrors your phone's display to your PC and gives you full control. This is the classic SCR-CPY use case. See your phone on your PC, control it with mouse and keyboard, record it, forward audio. This option isn't really practical because the phone has to be connected via a cable at all times. I recommend the wireless option instead. Close and terminate the session. Click the wireless option. On your phone, go to Settings, then System, and tap the Developer Options. You will be asked for a password. Scroll down and find the Wireless Debugging option, tap it, and you will see the connection information, including the phone's IP address followed by the port number. Make sure the phone and the PC are connected to the same network. In the SCR-CPY GUI, enter the connection address, IP address followed by the port number, then click Connect. The phone will be added to the Device Hub tab. Select it and click Start Mission. You are now connected to your phone again, but in screen sharing mode. You can perform actions on your phone from your PC without using a cable. In desktop mode, enable the Flex Display checkbox before launching. Click Start, the virtual display appears. Now try resizing the window. The content adapts smoothly instead of shrinking. This makes desktop mode significantly more practical for actual work use. You can resize the window to fit alongside other PC applications without the Android interface becoming unusably small. Each mode has its own configuration options: resolution, FPS, rotation, bitrate, and mode-specific features. Let's go through what's new in version 4. Camera mode gets 3 significant upgrades in version 4. Camera torch. When enabled, mirroring the back camera also activates your phone's physical flashlight, the torch LED. Enable the torch toggle. A zoom slider lets you set your zoom level before launching, 1x, 2x, 3x, or more, depending on your phone's camera capabilities. Camera device. Click Refresh Lenses to detect all cameras on your specific phone. They'll appear in a drop-down list showing front cameras and back cameras separately. Select whichever camera you want to use before starting. Now you can turn on the camera to view the images directly on your PC. This section is really for content creators. SCRCPY GUI is genuinely useful in several specific scenarios. Streamers and content creators. Mirror your phone camera as a high-quality webcam, record mobile gameplay on a big screen, or capture vertical content for social media. Developers and testers. Test Android apps with full keyboard and mouse control on a big screen without constantly picking up your phone. Productivity users. Run Android apps in desktop mode alongside your Windows workflow for apps that don't have a PC equivalent. Casual users. Watch YouTube or respond to messages on a bigger screen with a keyboard while your phone stays on your desk. Remote helpers. View and control a family member's Android phone over the same network to help with tech support. SCRCPY GUI version 4. Every feature of one of the most capable Android mirroring tools available, now accessible through a clean visual interface that anyone can use. Download it, connect your phone, and you're mirroring in minutes without a single command. The download link is in the video description. If you want the full deep dive on SCRCPY's wireless setup, USB connection options, and keyboard shortcuts, our complete SCRCPY guide is linked on screen now. A like and subscribe helps the channel, and I post practical Android and Windows guides every day. Thanks for watching.